Amazon Textract is an AI service that performs more than optical character recognition on PDFs and images. It analyzes documents and identifies relationships within detected text. To help you quickly ramp up on the service, let me walk you through Analyze Documents demo. Let's get started. As you can see, the demo has preloaded a payslip. The Raw Text tab shows texts extracted from the payslip. Beyond OCR, Textract is also able to detect elements such as paragraphs, lists, headers, and a few others. As you can see, Textract detected this as a figure, this as a section header, and this as a text. You can also see confidence score for each detection. By default, it displays page-level analysis. Let's check out document-level summary. You can see that Textract found 2 figures, 2 section headers, and 2 tables. Let's check out Forms tab. Forms tab shows individual form elements. As you can see, Textract detected pay date as the key, and 25th of July 2008 as the value. Pretty cool. Let's check out different tables that Textract identified. Note that Textract identified different elements under deductions. You can see individual line items such as federal income tax, Social Security tax, along with corresponding values for the period, as well as year-to-date values. Let's see Queries tab. Queries feature is a new user-friendly way to use Textract by asking questions and getting answer. You can see how when asked a query about YTD gross pay, Textract returned the number. Let's explore Signature tab. As you can see, Textract was able to successfully detect signature on check. If you want to review Textract result offline for the specified input, you can also click the Download Results button to download the output to your computer. To recap, you just saw how Textract identified text, form values, tables, and signatures from a payslip. Apart from payslip, Amazon Textract provides various other sample documents. Note different types of samples shown. If you are following along, I recommend pausing and trying out samples relevant to your own use case, or uploading a document relevant to your business use case. Check out AWS SDK samples to learn how to invoke Analyze Document API via AWS CLI or via code. Note that Textract also provides Start Document Analysis API if you want to do this task in an asynchronous manner. Congratulations! You just learned how to use Amazon Textract to analyze documents. Thanks for watching. Check out AWS certification books linked in pinned comment and suggest us topics for videos.